Welcome to this tutorial on the awesome strength of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that has revolutionized the field of natural language processing. With its ability to generate human-like text, ChatGPT has become a valuable tool for various applications, including content creation, customer service, education, and entertainment. ChatGPT is based on a transformer architecture that allows it to process large amounts of data and learn patterns and relationships in language. The model has been trained on a diverse range of text data from the internet, including books, articles, and web pages, which has enabled it to capture the nuances and complexities of natural language. One of the key strengths of ChatGPT is its ability to generate text that is coherent, fluent, and contextually appropriate. This means that ChatGPT can understand the meaning and context of the text it generates and produce text that is relevant and useful for the intended purpose. Another strength of ChatGPT is its flexibility and adaptability. The model can be fine-tuned on specific tasks or domains to improve its performance and accuracy. This means that ChatGPT can be customized for various use cases, such as chatbots, content creation, translation, and summarization. ChatGPT has also been used in various research and development projects to advance the field of natural language processing. OpenAI has released several versions of ChatGPT, including GPT-2 and GPT-3, which are available for research and development purposes. There are also various online platforms and tools that allow you to interact with ChatGPT and generate text, such as Hugging Face's Transformers and Elodorea's GPT-Neo. Its flexibility and adaptability also make it a valuable tool for various applications, and its use in research and development projects has contributed to advancing the field of natural language processing. So, if you're interested in using ChatGPT for your own project or research, there's no better time to start exploring its potential. In this course, you learn everything you need to know to use ChatGPT effectively and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this course will help you master the skills and techniques needed to create compelling text using ChatGPT. Throughout the course, you'll have access to a variety of resources, including video lectures, interactive exercises, and hands-on projects. You'll also have the opportunity to interact with other students and receive feedback and support from me and my team. Join us by clicking https://www.udemy.com/course/ChatGPT-intensive-course-from-beginners-to-professional/? Coupon code =22B64A7 accept 6035 EDF. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and give us thumbs up as well. Thank you for watching.